Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discovery Boss, and you're here on another review, another update. If you're new to the channel, first of all, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. So once that subscribe button is showing red, just click on it and turn it gray. Remember to also like the video and comment. That helps the YouTube algorithm to showcase the video to other persons that have not been on the channel before. So definitely like, comment and share as well, so that more persons can see. We always highlighting all the development happening in Jamaica, all the good stuff all around Kingston and Jamaica. That's what we do on the channel. So once you share, more persons will see, both local and both persons overseas as well. I know you already seen the title. What we're doing today, we're taking an update on the Kingston 876 commercial park that's being developed. It's on the left, so still a lot of empty lands to be developed as well. There's currently a warehouse that's under construction, so we'll be just taking a look on that as well, just to see the progress of the work. Some of the other business over there already, we have a call center, we have Nestle Jamaica, we have Tropical Battery, Shopman, Raymore Trading. So quite a few business on this commercial park already. So we're just gonna do a driving update, a driving review, just to see the progress of the work. I'll take the left turn here. This is a recently open entrance and exit, so you don't have to go down to Nestle. You can enter and exit right here. Good quality roads, sidewalks, and we know once you're building, the level of the land is lower than the road, so you have to dump up the land to prevent flooding and stuff like that. So the warehouse that's currently being developed is right in front of us. Not sure which company is coming there as yet, but we do know it's a warehouse. Work is moving very quickly. It's a mixture of pre-constructed concrete along with metal, so it will go fast in terms of the progress of the work. Alright, let's try and get a good shot of the warehouse. So let's turn back right here. Alright, so not very wide, but good length. It's lengthy. So that is the warehouse that's currently under construction. Alright, let me zoom in a little bit for you guys. Alright, so it seems to be 2 floors. Good capacity, good size, and that is the newest addition to this Kingston 876 commercial complex. So I know a lot more business are to come. A lot more development will happen in this area. So as time go by, I'll keep updating you guys, so you guys see what's happening in this area. They're building the perimeter fence at the same time as well, along with the warehouse. So yeah, that's where we are today, and we're just taking an we're having an update, or taking a look on the progress of the work on this warehouse. And as usual, I know you guys always use up the comment section if you know which company is coming here, if you know who's the owner of this warehouse. If you have any more details, just let me know in the comment section as well. Alright guys, so stay tuned, watch the video until the end, and we'll just take a drive along the other areas in this commercial park. So stay tuned guys. To the left, that blue building is a call center currently being developed. Most of the infrastructure work is finished, so I guess it will be like interior type work that will be left to be done. And if you guys know which call center is coming here, let me know in the comments. And then to the right we have Nestle Jamaica. This is their back entrance and exit. This is their distribution center as well. So that's Nestle Jamaica. Alright, and then we'll take this left turn coming up and just take a quick glimpse of the other companies down this side. What I'll do as well, I'll put the link in the description and in the comments for some of the previous videos I did in this area, so you guys can see basically progress of the work. Alright, and from here we can see a nice view of Plantation Heights. You know, I know without a doubt that the houses up in the hill have a very nice view. There's no doubt about that. So that's Plantation Heights up in the hills. And then we have Shopman on the right. They, you know, distribute trucks, trailers, tractors, and everything. They have partnered with Tankwell. And then this is another very big complex. One of my previous video showed the area of the land before they fence it around. So I'm not sure which company will be going over there, but they have now completed the perimeter fencing. They go all the way back to the foot of the hill, and then around this side we have some other distribution companies, along with Derrimon Trading as well. So we just turn here. So this complex is now Derrimon Trading Warehouse, and it goes all the way back. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drive down this side and see if I can get a glimpse of the entire area that we just drove past that is now fenced. I think there is a mesh gate that we should be able to see through, but let's find out. So these trucks are waiting on pickup for Derrimon Trading. They're a distribution of a lot of food products and food brands. Alright, so this is the complex. This is just a quick glimpse of the complex. Not much construction have started as yet, but I'm sure that they have some very big future plans. And then to the right is Derrimon, a very big warehouse. Not sure if you guys can see clearly. So it goes all the way back. So very huge warehouse, all the way back down to that side. Alright, so hope that glimpse helped. Alright guys, so what we'll do is drive back out to the front. Alright, so we'll drive back out to the front, because as I mentioned, it's just a quick update of the Kingston 876 commercial complex. Just giving you guys a quick update on what's happening. So as usual, leave your comments. And again, the main change so far is just the warehouse that's being constructed, not a lot of other changes. But as development continues, you know, I will always keep you guys updated. So we'll drive back out to Nestle and we'll basically end the video there. So as usual guys, thanks for watching, thanks for supporting, thanks for liking the videos, sharing the videos, much appreciated.